Public Quartet is a Grammy-nominated string quartet. Alongside being amazing artists and musicians, they really care about teaching. And so it created this really wonderful opportunity to work alongside Moss to bring them in to do workshops for our students in living learning programs to make arts more accessible to them. We know the arts is an important part of being at a land grant and being at a world-renowned institution. I think it is all our job as professionals to think about getting that important thing to students in a place and space where they can digest and participate and engage it. The arts can be something that is really intimidating to students, and so I think being mindful to take down some of the barriers around what they think art is and kind of turn it over on its head and make it something else. And so we do that a lot with what we try to teach students at Tech, and I think the arts are no different.
I've always had a passion for music. I played music for about 8 years before coming to college. It's always been something that I've really enjoyed doing, something that I do to decompress. Being here today kind of opened my eyes to something a little bit different than I'm used to. I'm used to more structured orchestra class, and I think this kind of made it more personable.
I've never done music improv before, at least not in a group. And I wanted to sort of try out something I like in a way that I've never tried it before. And it was cool to be with people who have done it before and also clearly really appreciate it. I felt super lucky with the small setting, and I felt very welcome and part of it as someone who doesn't do art.
I've really enjoyed this program. I think it kind of fosters what we do here in the Reds College and LOCs at Virginia Tech. It's kind of more focused on interdisciplinary learning, and I think that's something that's really important through this program, because it not only is about music, but it's also learning a little bit more about social change and issues that are affecting us daily.
The best in what we can offer for students at Virginia Tech is at the heart of partnership. And I'm so thankful that the Moss sees our work as important and we see theirs as important, and because of it we create really meaningful opportunities for students together. And I think that is one really special thing about Virginia Tech, is the ability to collaborate in really meaningful ways across departments to serve students.